So we're down here in Stretham in southeast London. This is another project we've just completed. So what we've done on this project is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. The house used to look like this property next door, so we've cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in a nice penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a little close up of how that now all looks. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork. All of the stonework's been all restored, rubbed down, repainted, all back in white. We've also done repainted all upstairs as well. So all of the wooden gable all been painted, all of the woodwork, all of the pebble dash has been painted. We've also done the back of this house as well, which is a really big back property. So we've done all the repointing on the back in a flush finish on the back, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks on the back of the house. Also guttering work. Just got to come back, have a little wash down. We've had a lot of rain this week, so just bounced off the scaffolding, causing a bit of dust. We've also got one more coat of paint to do on the plinth, waiting for that to dry out still. So just one more coat to do on the plinth, a little bit more touching up to do inside the porchway, and then it's another job finished to the highest standard once again. So customers are really happy how everything went. Another big project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you like a free quotation or got any questions, please get in contact with us. We're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.